What's going on, guys? It's Roman99 here, back with another video. This is the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series number 1. We have me and the Man of Steel. Yeah, guys, can you see it? You see it? I hope you can see it, but yeah, I hope you can see it. Basically, I'm Superman. Okay, and Max D Glow, we have Roma Raider 89 the Cool, his dad. We have Bad Habit. We have my dad. Yeah, guys, you can pick multiple trucks next time. So yeah. And Team T, we have Jeremiah White. I'm sorry, dude. I got your name wrong. I'm sorry. And Son of a Digger. Jeremy White is also a YouTuber. Hit that subscribe button for him. And here comes another YouTuber, Hot Wheels Monster Jam Collector and Son of a Digger. Yeah, subscribe to him. And Dragon, we have Romo Raider 89 the Cool. This guy signed up a lot. And Roma Raider 89 the Cool's mom is Nitro Hornet for some reason. Roma Raider 89 the Cool's grandma is an Ice Cream Man. Oh god. And a new subscriber, he told me he subscribed and he picked Jester. So yeah, that's the Field Trucks. The event will be I think when this video is tomorrow it will be the sign up series on January the 1st, New Year's Day, and we will have 2 different events. We will have the backflip contest, like when you just grab a truck, I'm using Ice Cream Man, and you just flip it by its back. And I know that might seem weird, but yeah, if they land it, they go on. But a surprise entrant is in this race, the White Avenger. This is Enderboss529. He was with me in a video, 2K16. So yeah, he doesn't have a channel or nothing, but make sure if you want to talk, like, I don't know, just that's the Field Trucks. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Make sure you watch Romo Raider 99 versus Zombies. That's a good episode, 35 minutes of it. And good luck, everybody. Goodbye.